Flash. Alrighty. Let's go. Okay. That's it. I'll see you soon. Sure. Any NFP live stream? There's no NFP today, bro. There's no NFP today. There is no NFP today, buddy. No NFPs today, bro. No NFP today, guys. Send this out there. Where's the chat content? Where's my chat content, guys? What's up, my beautiful people? We live for the second time of the day. Let's go, let's go. Post this link on my Instagram as well. For all my beautiful people to join up. NYSE live stream. 100% free. Join up. Let's go, guys. Can you guys see me? Can you guys hear me? Let me know. Are we clear, guys? Let's go. Some W's in the chat right now. Let's see some W's in the chat right now, my beautiful people. Come on. Let's get it. Second live stream for the day. I am looking for a trade, guys. I have funded my account with 2K. And I want to get a trade because we didn't get it. We got it earlier. It was unfortunately a loss. So let's go. I think my chat is bugged out, man. Come on. I need to just open up my chat here real quick. YouTube. 1 second, guys. Just busy getting. View my channel. The live streams. There we go. Get this. The live streams. Get my chat. There we go. Over here. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Get my chat. Pop out chat. There we go. Boom. Over here. 1 second, guys. 1 second. With the chat over there. I can see when I'm spamming over there. I'm looking for shorts on gold. I'm also looking for shorts on gold, bro. Share the link for Comit by X. What you mean, bro? What do you mean share the link for Comit by X? Let me know what you mean, bro. Let me know what you mean. What do you mean? Let's go. We are moving. You're saying what lot size are you going to use for a 2K account? I'm going to use 0.01 lot sizes, bro. If we do get a trade, 0.01 lot sizes for the trade, bro. 0.01 lot sizes for my trades. I'm gonna probably go full margin on the trade if I do end up taking a trade, just because it's a smaller 2K account. We want to try and flip it to a big account, of course. Flip it to at least 10K, then withdraw live with you guys here on the stream. So that's the goal. That is the goal, guys. Trade, withdraw live, and continue with the momentum, guys. Continue with the momentum, guys. Please post on your group. Let's go. Like the stream, of course, Pooh. Let's go, man. What's up, Faizan? I hope you're well. So please walk us through what's the gray block and what the area. I will in a few minutes time, guys. Share the link to Comit Capital's X. I don't think we have an X account, bro. I'm not 100% sure. I don't think we have an X account. Just search up Comit Capital, bro, on X and go over there. Literally. What's up, Ronnie? How we doing, well, bro? What's up, Ronnie? Like I said, I have funded my account with 5K ZAR, and I am with 2K ZAR, and I'm looking to flip it to 5K or 10K, bro. How's your dad? My dad is good, bro. Thank you so much. Caught the earlier spike, made some good progress. Lovely, Mohammed. Join up, guys. Let's go. We're looking for some trades here on gold. And if you see, we actually took this trade here earlier, right? We bought over here. And look at how unfortunate this is. It went down to the support, and from there went straight up into big blues. was extremely unfortunate. We had a perfect entry. The market just wanted to be manipulated, and you can see exactly how it went up perfectly in the end. That's just the reality of trading, guys. You way better than FX War. Thank you, bro. I mean, I try not to compare myself, bro, between anyone. Increase your volume. Can you hear me, bro? Let me know if you can hear me now. Just put your volume up a bit on your phone, bro, if possible. The microphone is here, bro. Kwanda said I've been losing trade from Monday, and I'm like, bro, so many people have been losing this week, bro. It's actually crazy. Like myself included, bro. I've also been losing since Wednesday, bro. It's just the markets and how it's been. You're always gonna get weeks like this where you lose, bro, all the time. Definitely, bro. Volume is a bit low the past. Yeah, I'm not too sure why, bro. I mean, I'm not 100% sure why the volume is a bit low. This thing even on, bro. Yeah, this thing is on. Is it even connected still, bro? This thing was supposed to be connected somewhere. Sure of it. I'm so sure this thing is supposed to be connected, bro. Let me just look here real quick. 1 second. Bro, this is why it hasn't been working, bro. Why? That's crazy. There we go. Now this makes more sense. Now you guys should be able to hear me properly. Now you guys should be able to hear me properly, bro. What the heck? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let's go. Now you guys should be able to hear me properly. Testing 1 2 1 2. Hello, hello, hello. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. Let's see. Testing 1 2 1. Okay, perfect. Now you guys can hear me. Let me know in the chat if you guys can hear me properly now, please. I plugged the mic back in. I'm not sure why it was plugged out, but we have plugged it back in right now. So it should be working now, bro. It should be working now. Not 100% sure. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Come now. How's your heart? Let's. Okay, clear. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Finally, it's back to what it was like. Loud and clear. Beautiful, Brandon Hall. Brandon John Hall. Beautiful. But you can see over here, guys, this is my analysis here for gold. Let me just show you guys real quick what my analysis is. So the same as before, right? The same as earlier, we still have a level of support all the way down here. We have a level of support down here as well. We have a minor level of support and resistance within this little block over here where we caught our buy from earlier. We can even take it out now because we're not going to be utilizing it. And then we have, of course, a strong level of support over here, right? It was first resistance. It now has turned into support. So see over here, it was first resistance, 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 now broke above and now turned into support. And then we also have a level of support top, well, a level of resistance up top over here. So we are looking for mainly sells. Me personally, I want a sell on gold. So how is this now? Okay, perfect. So I'm looking personally for sells on gold. I want gold to sell off from this area over here. Look at the 1 hour time frame. It is looking a bit bullish, but we do have these rejections over here, which is what I am looking for, right? Yasir Mohammed in the chat. What's up, bro? Kahiso, is the gray block your? I don't. Okay, I don't use a breaker block, bro. I don't use breaker blocks. I use support and resistance on my charts. I don't use breaker blocks. I don't use none of them, bro. I use support and resistance. That's what I use, bro. I don't use breaker blocks. Support and resistance is the only way, man. It's the way that I've been using. What's up, Castro? That's a fair value gap just above the true support from the stop. Time frame with 30-minute time frame. Sells, yes, I'm looking for sell, bro. I am looking for sells indeed. I'm looking for the Solanos. Literally, man. I hear you, sir. Perfect, bro. What's up, Gene? Hope you're doing well. We could also have buys. I withdrew some profits for the week. I have 1,200 in my account. Let's put it together. I'm going to withdraw some more. Let's go, Nizam. Let's go, Nizam Khan. We could also have buys, guys. You can see over here we broke above, retested, went back up. It could be a retest for a further buy. We could end off Friday with a bull run on gold. We could have a bull run on gold. Might be possible, guys. We have to just wait and see. Either we're going to break below and go for sells, or we're going to break above and go for buys. That's the two options that we have, guys. So that's the two options that we have, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, of course, on the stream, guys. It would mean a lot if you guys could like the stream. Of course, like, comment, share, get some more people in here. We have 180 viewers right now. Beautiful stuff, guys. Beautiful stuff. Let's go. Let's go. Lovely stuff, guys. Lovely stuff. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We have NYSE opening just about 18 minutes or so. And of course, I want buys personally. I want buys. It's looking like it's a nice, decent setup here for buys. I won't lie to you. Where it's a rejection from this support area. We broke above the resistance and now came to the level of support. It respected these wicks over here, which is quite nice as well. If you look, respected that wick, respected that wick. If we can close bullish here, then I will personally go with buys. Castro says, bro, do you go home between your streams or stay at the office? Today I went to go pray, and then I had lunch, and then I came back, bro. Because normally I don't stream twice a day. Just today because Shaquille and Marcelino aren't around. But they asked me just to fill in for them, bro. So yeah. Nilo FX is half four, most likely huge sweep down and massive push up. Very possible, bro. Very possible. But this here is a textbook setup for a breakout retest continuation buy. It's a textbook setup in the 15-minute time frame, looking quite bullish. Let's see. You're the best king. Wow, hope one day you will mentor me. Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Just hit me up, bro, and you can sort out the mentorship, brody. No stress at all. No stress at all, my bro. Okay, let's wait one more minute till this 5-minute candle can close. Did you fix your car, the BMW? It's being fixed, bro. It's currently at the shop being fixed. It's currently at the shop being fixed, brody. Literally, it's at the shop being fixed up currently, bro. It's currently being fixed up, brody. This is low-key a nice little flip here on gold that we have. I won't lie to you. It is a decent flip on gold. The only thing, like I said, that I don't like is this level of resistance over here on the 30-minute time frame. Look over here, level of resistance over here, man. A level of resistance is over here. And it's really where we at right now. This black line is a level of resistance, man. I don't like that. I won't like you. What leverage do you use? I use 1:2,000 leverage, bro. 1:2,000 leverage. I use 1:2,000 leverage. You know. One second. Yeah, like I said, 1:2,000 leverage. So we didn't get a close that we wanted over there. It's not the candle close that we wanted, so we can't take a trade, guys. We cannot take a trade there. I'm gonna wait. I want to see a sell-off on gold, man. We're at the level of resistance right now. We are at the level of resistance right now. Let's come now, gold. Give us what we want, man. Pay us. Pay us, brody. Come on. Let's be exact. Let's be patient with us, guys. With us, the trade, guys. I don't have to rush anything. We can Bruce be 100%, bro. 1:2,000. I don't really make use of the leverage because I trade with a big account. Only for my small account flips like this one here that I'm trying to do today with you guys of 2K. You can see I put in 2K on the live account with Space Markets, of course. You can see my name over there, Space Markets over there. 2K in the account. So yeah. Which the best time frame to mark out support and resistance? I would say is the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame is the best for your support and for your resistance. But that's what I've found is like a sweet spot with trading gold. So yeah, 30-minute time frame for me personally is the best. But yeah, let me know. What's your guys' plans for the weekend? Me personally, I'm gonna chill. Just gonna relax, get ready for the new week where I'm going to recover all my losses, hopefully. But don't forget, guys, to leave a like in the stream. I see we only have 37 likes, but we have 200 viewers right now. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Do we get any game on how the 1 a.m. strategy works? I am literally gonna announce the 1 a.m. bootcamp, bro. The 1 a.m. bootcamp is going to be announced after the stream on my Telegram channel, bro. On my Telegram channel is when I'm going to announce the 1 a.m. bootcamp. I keep losing this week. Unlucky, bro. Same. Lloyd says still looking to buy. I'm not looking to buy, bro. We have this level of resistance up top here. I'm not looking for buys. I'm looking for a sell. Julian says, do you drink? No, I don't, bro. I'm a Muslim. I don't drink. I don't drink. I'm a Muslim. I am a Muslim. I don't drink, Brody. But yeah, like I said, I'm looking for a sell here on gold. How can we join the bootcamp? I will post on my Instagram and on my Telegram channel exactly how you can join the bootcamp. I will be telling you how to join the bootcamp. I will be announcing the 1 a.m. bootcamp after the stream, guys. On my Telegram channel, on my Instagram channel, everywhere. So you guys can get in there and learn this 1 a.m. strategy because genuinely it's actually crazy. It's absolutely crazy, bro. It's actually like insanely powerful, bro. I won't lie to you. Your 1 a.m. trade crazy, exactly, bro. How do I join your Telegram? Just go to my Instagram. My Instagram handle is somewhere over here. Yeah, it is. My Instagram channel is this here, FX_killers_. Just go over there, link in the bio, or send me a DM. And yeah, we will take it from there, bro. And I'll have to get in the channel. I'm going to relax in the gym. Go for it, bro. Go for it. Hit a good workout, bro. Vivation Pillay says, not training today, but here to support the gym. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you, Brody. Lloyd said, remember, I called the sell at 4915, 4 hour. Exactly, bro. There's a 4 hour resistance here on, what's it called? Over here. There's a 4 hour level of resistance that we have. Yes, we broke a bar right now, but I am looking for it to break back below and then have a possible sell from there. So that's me personally, bro. I'm looking for sales on gold. Is it going to be a membership or free? It's going to be a once-off payment to join the 1 a.m. bootcamp. So I'm going to make it extremely cheap for you guys so you guys can get in there and learn this 1 a.m. strategy for like a few $100, literally. I'm holding buys. Go for it, bro. What's up? Pretty boy Scott. Hope you're doing well. Why not host hike with Comit Capital? That's crazy, bro. Hosting a hike with Comit Capital would be mad, actually, bro. I won't lie. It's actually something we can probably plan in the future to host a hike with Comit Capital. That's a madness, bro. Crazy idea. Mad idea, bro. I'll go hard, low key. A hike with all of the traders, all the brothers. Salam Safwaan, did you? I did, bro. I sent it to the guy. He's here, like next to me, in the office, not in my office, but in the office next door to me, bro. I sent it to him. I did. Your volume is still a bit down, hey, bro. I'm not too sure why. The mic is like right by my mouth, bro. I'm not a tech wizard, so I can't really like do anything of the settings or anything like that. I just come and stream. They do all of the stuff, bro. All of the technology behind it. I just come here, look at the charts, see what we can do on the charts, and that's that, bro. But you can see clearly, I do see, bro. I do see that, bro. I did send it to them, and they will get back to me, bro. They will get back to me. Lloyd says full send match leverage. I am gonna go full margin, bro. If I do get the sell, if I do get a sell, I will go full margin, bro. That's why it's called margin call. I will go full margin, bro. Kelvin says, let's go for the high crazy, bro. We all in fitness, bro. Because I know as traders, all we do at home is just sit and eat junk food and trade and make money the whole time, bro. Literally. 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 That's the thing. All we do is just chill on our phone, make money. Let's go, let's go. Do you see resisting 400 and still pushing up? Possibly, but we have to break there. We have to break it there. I won't lie to you. We have to break below there to see, bro. Thought you scared of cupping. Crazy. Castro, you know what I'm saying, bro? Don't forget to leave a like on the stream, guys. Of course, you already know. I know they will give another excuse. Hey, bro. I've been training for 6 years. I've been training for 6 years, bro. 6 whole years, bro. 6 full years, bro. That's going to be 7 years. 7 years, but we are moving quite nicely down right now. We are moving down nicely on the 5 minute time frame. We need to break below. We need to break below there, man. If we want sales, guys. Like you can see here with my analysis, we have to break below this here, break, retest, and then go down. That's the only way we're gonna get sales. If we can do that, guys. Break below, retest, continue down. Literally. Literally. Let's see, let's wait. Can we get it, guys? Can we get it? Like I said, guys, what do we have watching now? 220 viewers. The 1 a.m. strategy, I'm going to be releasing it at the end of the stream. I'm going to be telling you exactly how to get in on the 1 a.m. strategy so you guys can actually learn it and perfect it. Because the few people that I have taught, I promise you, they're actually making crazy guap, bro. Crazy cash with it, bro. Literally. Silver structure is telling us we could be buying after the open. Let's go and check out silver, bro. Let's actually check out the DXY, bro, and see what the dollar index is saying. Because remember, the dollar index is inversely proportional to gold. If the dollar index goes up, gold is going to come down. On the dollar index, we can see it's actually at a level of support. And it's actually rejecting this level of support, which means that there could be a possible push up here on the DXY, which means that, of course, we could have a possible sell-off to end of the week on gold. That's what I'm personally thinking. So you can see how it's rejecting over there. That's explained to us why gold is actually coming down. Because if you look over here at the US dollar index, it's actually going up, and gold over here is now coming down. Look at that. Doesn't make sense. Let me know if that makes sense to you guys. That the dollar index is going up, gold's coming down. What happened to NFP? I think because of the US government shutdown, NFP got postponed until next week, bro. Next week, Wednesday is NFP, not today, bro. Mr. Blue 76, Mr. FX Killer, Muchama Mubarak. If the NYSC is going to be closed today because of the shutdown, will you still take a trade? I will, bro. It's not shut down. The markets are still open. The markets are still open, bro. The markets are still open. And they are still moving. So we could have a possible trade, bro. We could have a possible trade. What's up, Tim? Hope you're doing well, bro. Hope you are doing well, my brody. Come on, guys. Let's get to 100 likes. We're literally on 80 likes right now. I know we can get to 100 likes here so easily. So easily. Let's go, let's go. I'm going to see something here on the chart. It did just break below the level of support there. I won't lie to you. Oh, man. The only thing, gold's like the structure on gold is just not looking the best. Genuinely, it's not looking the best at all. I mean, there's a bullish 4-hour candle. There's a bullish 1-hour candle. 30-minute is looking bearish. The 1-hour low could be taken now. Damn, bro. This is kind of crazy. I won't lie to you. Gold is just tanking right now. What? Gold is tanking right now, guys. I'm waiting for a safe entry point. I'm going to wait 5 more minutes. SI is 4,000 TP is crazy, bro. Let's finish the week on a good note. Inshallah, we will. If God wills, we will finish the week on a high note. Unprofitable. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Extreme says, have you tried dropshipping? I have not, bro. I have not tried dropshipping. I did try, what's it called? Takealot. I did actually try Takealot, bro. I did try Takealot, and I actually made quite a bit of money with it. I won't lie. I made quite a bit of cash with Takealot. Salam, what's the account size that you start when you first started? With a 10,000 Rand account from my parents that I took a loan. From my parents, I took 10,000 Rand and I actually lost the 10K. Literally, I lost the 10K, bro. Not too good, but lost 18K this week. Looking back at it, got 100%, bro. Even though you lost, it wasn't meant for you, bro. That money was not meant for you. God had other plans. He said, I don't want you to have this money. Maybe you were going to go and buy something illegal with it and you're going to get caught by the cops. Maybe you were going to do something bad with the money. It wasn't meant for you, bro. That money was not meant for you, bro. Let's see. Nothing on gold is lining up 100%, or nothing is like lining up on gold, bro. Nothing's lining up on gold, and that's why we're trying to stay away from it. This guy's strip clubs, crazy term, you crazy, bro. What's a good leverage to trade on a small account? I would say 1:2,000 leverage, bro. 1:2,000 leverage is a good leverage to be trading with on gold and on a small account as well. So yeah, let's see. Can we get an entry here? It's at the level of support. It's retesting right now. It doesn't look like it's breaking below. It broke above, retested, and now a possible continuation buy is in order. Or a break below, a retest, and a continuation sell-off. Something like this. Something like this. That's our two options. Gold rejecting the 1 minute time frame. It is, bro. I am seeing that. I am seeing the rejections. I personally wait for the 5 minute time frame. I don't enter on the 1 minute time frame. I go up the 5 minute time frame, bro. After you lost the 10K, how do you start scaling your capital, or do you always use the 10K? I literally opened up a graphics design agency. I promise you. It was called Mega Media. And I literally went into WhatsApp groups and I would try and sell my graphic designs to businesses and be like, I can do for you guys logos. I can do this. I literally used to go on Canva for free. And I used to make for them the worst logo ever. And I would say, pay me even $100 or $200. And I would literally just scale up like that the whole time. Go higher and higher, get maybe say 5 people, make 1K in a day. Because here for the whole month, I would make like between 5 to 10K. I would put 5K into my account, use 5K for my goals. I promise you. I literally had an agency called Mega Media back in 2022. Wallahi, bro. Literally. And that's how I got a bit of money, and I actually started scaling up. And then of course I took some more money from my parents and I lost it. So that's when I was like, now I have to actually learn the skill properly. That's when I took my time out and I learned how to actually analyze the charts, how to become profitable. Now yeah, I am, bro. Sia says, lol, that's what I'm doing right now. Crazy, bro. I wish you the best, bro. I wish you the best. Dylan says, I was in a gold trading profits and the prop firm took me out, says account suspended. Why? I'm not too sure, bro. I see a lot of people are getting messages right now with the prop firm suspending the account. I'm not sure why, bro. I'm not sure why Comit Capital is doing that, but I will ask the support team what's going on with that, bro. So you got the skill? I do think so, bro. I do think so. I mean, I've been profitable for about 3 years now, bro. I've been profitable for about 3 years now, bro. What's your trade idea if it continues the uptrend and respects the support after open bell? Wait for a retest. Yeah, so I'll wait for it to first go up. Give me a nice 5 minute candle closure, a bullish 5 minute candle closure, and then go up, bro. Right now we have to wait because now it's literally like it's not giving us much confirmation, bro. How long did it take you to become profitable? It took me a couple of years, bro. Really a couple of years of losing and heartbreak and blown accounts. And then finally, we are profitable. Did you buy the BMW with your trading profits? Of course, bro. Of course. I won't lie to you. I did not pay cash for the BMW because I don't believe in paying for cars in cash, especially if it's not a car I'm going to keep forever. I'm paying it off. It's finance. Even though, yes, I'm making so much money, there's no need to go and pay for it cash, bro, because I want to trade the car in a few years' time for a better car. And if I buy it cash, I'm going to pay 650,000 Rand. And then when I sell it, I'm only going to get like, say, 400,000. So take a big knock on it, bro. Check news, guys. If you Comit Capital, you have to monitor news 100%, bro. 5 minutes before, after news, you can't place trades. Exactly, bro. Exactly, bro. Are you allowed to scalp trade? No, you aren't. Scalp is not allowed on Comit Capital, bro. It's not allowed on Comit Capital. What cars do you have? I have a few cars, bro. I don't want to say what cars I have because my personal cars, but the one car that I post is my BMW 240. That is my best car so far. That's my best car so far. I am looking to get an upgrade very, very soon, within like the next 2 or 3 months. So yeah. Vista Forest, aren't you scalping? I am scalping, but I'm gonna hold my trades for a few minutes, for like, let's say between 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm not gonna take it on my prop firm account. I'm going to take it on my live space markets account. My live space markets account, guys. Live space markets account. I'm going to take my trades on. I'm not going to do it on my other account, on the platform account. So you can see gold is pushing up quite nicely now. What we have to wait for is we have to wait for a bullish candle. I'm not in a trade yet, bro. Waiting for this 5-minute candle to close. If this 5-minute candle can close how it is right now, then I will possibly enter my buys. Did you just miss the buy? Nah, I don't think so, bro. I'm not in as yet, guys. Like I said, I'm not in as yet. I'm waiting for this 5-minute candle to close first. We're waiting for this 5-minute candle to close, guys. Once this 5-minute candle has closed, then I will look for my entries. I have not entered as yet. I have not entered as of yet, guys. I have not. Guys, please tell us all the rules of the prop firm. It's all on the website, bro. All the rules are on the website. You can't trade news 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after the news event is released. You can't scalp. You can't obviously hedge your account. You can't, what else? Consistency rule for your big accounts. There's a few rules, bro, but it's all explained on the website, bro. Literally, all explained on the website, bro. I think gold's looking like it's leaving us right now. Gold is looking like it is leaving us, which is a bit unfortunate because we were supposed to get our entry, but we never. Damn, that's crazy, bro. Gold already up 2,300 pips, bro. What the heck? Gold is flying right now, man. But we couldn't get an entry. We needed this 5-minute candle here to close. They need this 5-minute candle here to close more bullish, bro. Hassan, bro, I will assist you after the stream, bro. I will assist you after the stream, my buddy. Not to worry, not to worry. We needed this 5-minute candle here to close a bit more bullish. Then we could have had buys. We could have had buys over there. If that 5-minute candle had closed more bullish, I would have entered. But man, it's a bit of a hard so one. We had our money funded. We just never got our entry. This would have been a beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade would have been. We entered there. We would have hit our take profit already. Literally. Man. A lot of times asking, bro, if we entered, we could have continued. It did expect in the 1-minute time frame. But then again, bro, the 1-minute time frame is just way too volatile. This is the sell entry. I'm not too sure, bro. Love the analysis exactly, bro. Even though we never got an entry, I still did my analysis perfectly. This was my trade that I was supposed to get into. But unfortunately, I missed the entry, unfortunately. But it happens, it happens. We missed our entry, we would have made some big blues. All good though, all good though. The doji there for the current candle on confirmation, bro. I think it will be too late, 100%, bro. It is too late to take a trade now. It is a bit too late to actually end the trade now. The 1M time frame has too much noise, 100%, but the 1M time frame has way too much noise. That's why I don't like to trade the 1M time frame, bro. What about the resistance on top? Isn't gold going? It could even retest this resistance up top here and then drop. That's what we can wait for now. Wait for it to get to here, retest, enter, like that. Something like that, guys. Something like this. Literally. We can wait for something like this, guys. What's your take on Ash candles? I'm not too sure, bro. I haven't used it ever before. Honestly, I have not used them ever before, so I'm not 100% sure, bro, what they even are. So, yeah. The 1M has too much noise, 100%, bro. I agree with you. I agree with you, bro. Literally. I agree with you 100%. Update 318K for what I was in gold buy since London. That's crazy. You're up 318K, Defentrix. You are crazy. Please send me a picture of that. Lay a card in the chat. Safwaan, of course. But we're also waiting for our trades. Not too sure why the charts aren't actually moving right now. The charts aren't really moving here. I'm not too sure why. Let me just change my chart. Okay, it's back to moving now. Not sure why it wasn't moving on the 5M time frame. Crazy stuff. Layaka is supposed to be here in the office with me. Do you have autism for saying literally? I think so. I won't lie to you. I think I am on the spectrum just a little bit. Literally. Just a little bit. But yeah, like I said, we are waiting for the market to get here for a possible sell. This is a minor level of resistance. I'm hoping that we can sell. Exactly, Brandon. Defentrix going crazy with it. 318k profit. Please do send me a picture of that on Instagram. No, Lloyd, we are not taking a sell now. We're not taking a sell now. We are going to be waiting. No sells right now, guys. No sells right now. You see? We don't take a sell right now. We don't take a sell. Because we have to wait for confirmations first, guys. Confirmations is king. Damn, gold is just flying. I'll tell them where you live. Tell them where you live. You don't know me. Damn, gold's flying right now. Gold is absolutely flying. That's crazy, guys. Man, we could have gotten our buy. We've been up 4,000 pips. What the sherbet? What the sherbet, man? Okay, let's wait and see. Is he gonna reject from here, guys? Will it reject from here for a possible sell? Let's see. Let's hope it retests and use it as. Let's hope, bro. Let's see if it will retest and use it as support and go up from here. Hopefully we can get some trade, bro, because I want to trade. The markets are just. It's not making much sense. It's just shooting through all our levels of support resistance and then not retesting it, not giving us any safe entries. It's just not worth it to even trade. I mean, for me personally, I'd rather be safe than lose more money. Like, I mean, really lost earlier today on the London live session, so I don't always lose again. But it's just flying right now. That's crazy. We have to wait for our confirmation there. Let's see, will it reject from this area and go down? Will it reject? This could be just taking out this liquidity up top here for it to go even further down. Let's see. I told you I'm holding buys. Amazing. The GOAT Benny. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Lovely work, bro. Lovely work. Well done to you for holding those buys. I know you are smiling right now, bro. I know you are smiling. $10, it's gone 100%, bro. Gold has been buying. Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, gold has been buying the whole day. But when we decide to buy, it decides to sell. Like, how is that even fair? How does that make sense? Look at this. We took a buy. Where was it? We took a buy, I think it was literally over here. I took a buy in the morning over here. It just shot down and then went straight up. And look at where it is now. We would have been in literally so much of profits right now. We would have been in some crazy profits right now if the market never had to do that to us. Literally. Let's see. We would have been up about 6,000 pips. We would have been up literally 6,000 pips. But you can see now gold is actually rejecting off there. I made 1,000 rand with gold buys today. Lovely, 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 man. Lovely work. Lovely, lovely work. Lovely, lovely work. Beautiful stuff. Man, I want to go in with sells here, but hey, this is a high risk. This is a very high risk sell. I won't lie to you. It could use this as a support. It is still going up. I do see that, yeah. It's still going further up. I'm not even sure why. Gold is just all over the show today, guys. Gold is all over the show today for some odd reason. It's crazy. It's literally crazy. But you can see now gold is actually respecting the level of resistance over there. Gold is respecting that level of resistance. I'm going to announce the 1 a.m. strategy at the end of the stream, bro. At the end of the stream, I'm going to be announcing the 1 a.m. strategy at the end of the stream. I'm announcing the 1 a.m. strategy, guys. At the end of the stream. At the end of the stream, I will announce the 1 a.m. strategy, exactly how to use it, exactly how to kill the charts with it. Don't worry, bro. I will be giving you guys a source on how to smash the charts with the 1 a.m. strategy. Not a stress, not a stress, bro. We can touch 5,000. We can, bro. We can. There's lots of bullish momentum in the markets right now. Lots of bullish momentimo in the marketino. But let's see. It did reject. It is rejecting quite nicely right now. It is rejecting quite nicely right now. I won't lie to you. It's rejecting pretty nicely right now. It's going down. It's going down. Let's wait for this 5-minute candle. If the 5-minute candle can close so bearish, there could be a possible sell It could be possible sells, guys. Let's be patient. Let's wait. Let's not rush into our trades, of course. Like, we don't ever like to rush into our trades, guys. We don't ever like to rush into our trades, guys. This could be a decent setup for me. NYS is open. No one is at 100%, bro. 100%. Plus, it just swept liquidity, waiting for confirmation to sell. But let's see confirmation, bro. That's the thing. Like, you have to wait for confirmations first. Like, yes, this could be a retest of this area for a possible buy, or it could be a breakout to sell to the downside. That's the thing. I'm watching it here on my phone as well. I'm watching it here on my phone to see. Tim, my dad is doing good, bro. Thank you for asking, bro. My dad is doing good. Thank you so much for asking, Brody. Thank you, bro. W for me, I placed a buy stop based on your analysis. Thank you so much. Amazing, bro. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Let's see what is this now. Also, guys, I'm cooking up something crazy for you guys with a website for the subscriptions. It's actually insane. I won't lie to you. Myself and Shaquille Samai, we're cooking up something crazy for you guys with the subscriptions, with the website, all that kind of good stuff, guys. NYSE open volume is mad, bro. But let's see. Is this 5-minute candle going to give us an entry or not? I'm hoping we can get some sells there, guys. We should have sold up top there, but it's all good. Let's wait and let's see. Can we get some entries? Can we get some entries, gold? Come on. Give us something at least. Either a buy or a sell. I just want to get in on some trades. I want to make some money, man. I want to make some cash. It's looking like it's rejecting right now quite nicely from this area of support. Let's see. Check US30 for buys. I will in a few minutes, Zakaria. I'm just focusing on gold for right now because you could have a possible trade in literally the next 45 seconds. We could have a possible buy on gold. Let's wait and let's see, guys. Will we get our entries here on gold? It's looking a bit decent right now. I won't lie to you. It's looking quite decent. It's looking pretty decent. Can we close more bullish though? We need to close more bullish for us to have possible buys, guys. Possible buy Zeno, buy Zano. This is now a level of support right there. Come on, gold, close bullish for us so we can get our entries. Close bullish for us, man. Doesn't look like he wants to close bullish. Does not look like he wants to close bullish at all. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Nah. Still nothing, man. Still no entry. Bro, gold is not giving us anything. Look at this. Gold's giving us literally nothing right now, man. So annoying. This is very, very annoying right now. Gold's not giving us anything. Can you guys see what I'm saying? Like, gold's not giving us any entries. Like, yes, even though it did close bearish, yes, it closed bearish with a big rejection week. So now the market's basically saying that it's indecisive because look at this. It first closed bullish with a big wick to the downside, showing us rejections. Now it closed bearish with a big wick to the bottom, showing us rejection again. So first we got rejection to the upside, well to the downside, now to the upside. So now we're in two minds of what's going to actually happen. Is he going to buy or is he going to sell? This is not looking good, guys. We should wait for more confirmation because damn. Man. We need to wait for more confirmation, guys. Retesting the 1M candle of the minor resistance? Could be, bro, for a retest, for a sell. It could be, bro. It could be for a sell, but then again, gold is going to spike. It can literally just spike up anytime and blow your account. Buy low, sell high, exactly, bro. We are at the high right now. That's why we're looking for sells. That's why I'm looking for sells right now, bro. Exactly why I'm looking for sells. Because we are at that high over there. Let's get up to 100 likes, guys. We're literally on 93 likes. Thank you guys so much for the support. We're at 93 likes right now. Thank you guys for that, of course. On 30-minute, it created strong resistance. It did. I do see that well, bro. 30-minute time frame, strong resistance. You can see over there. Strong resistance is rejected off there quite nicely. Still not giving us confirmations. Come on, gold. Give us something. Give us something over here, Brody. Come on, Goldie. Okay, so now it's pushing back to the upside. Lloyd, did you take the buy and sell you're mentioning? I'm not too sure if Lloyd took it. Lloyd, in the chat, let us know if you took the buys and the sell that you were referring to earlier. Let us know, let us know, let us know. Let us know. Gold is pushing up right now. It's pushing to the upside right now. Let's see. Interessante, interessante. It's rejecting. Man. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait 3 more minutes. That level of support was crazy good. I got you, but look at this. Only a perfect level of support that I drew in. The market respected it beautifully. The market respected it beautifully right there. That's what I'm talking about accuracy in the markets. Like, you must know where to draw your levels and how to trade off of them. And even if you don't get an entry, it's perfectly fine. As long as you know that you drew in your levels of support and resistance properly, you can then see and learn exactly how the markets are moving, how they're shifting. Now you can catch your trades. Literally, guys. 880 pips buy and 300 pips sell. Lovely work, bro. Lovely work. Well done to you, Lloyd. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. Love to see it. Love to see it, Brody. But like I said, 5-minute candle, guys. If we can close bearish, if we can close bearish with a nice full bearish body, then I'll take a sell. So we need something to be like this here. A rectangle, something like this here, guys. A full bearish body with a wick, of course. With a wick, something like this here. Something like this. A full bearish body with a wick, the top, and then it could be a possible sell. If not, the other option is it closes bullish, could take a buy. If it closes like this here with a bullish body. I had a bad week. I don't even want to place an entry. Don't, bro. Don't even go for it. Just leave it. Come back again next week stronger, bro. Literally. Nice. I'm assuming those were from support and resistance shown. Possibly, bro. I'm not too sure, Lloyd. Let us know. Were they from the support and the resistance that I drew? Or what's the story, bro? What is the story? Let us know. Let us know. Let us know. Let's see. We have 21 seconds left here until this candle closes. Can we get an entry over here? We might have a possible buy on Goldilocks. And we might have a possible buy on Goldilocks. Let's see. Close bullish for us, man. Close so bullish. Close so bullish. Come on. Okay, guys. So I have entered buys right now. I have entered buys. Very, very, very high risk setup right here. I have entered my buys. Let me put my thing over here. Buy position over here. We're already in some nice profits of 300 pips, 400 pips. We're in some buy right now on gold. You can see over here. Buys on gold. We are up 400 pips already, guys. I've entered my buys. We're up 400 pips already floating. 420 pips, 300 pips. My SL for this trade here will be below the lows over here at 26.5. At 26.5 over here, 926.5. Just there. So I've entered my buys. Literally right over there, guys. I have entered my buy positions. Very, very high risk setup, guys. We are already in some profits of 300 pips. Let me know, are you guys in? Let me know if you guys are in the trade with me over here. We're just going to be targeting a nice little 1:1 with this trade. A nice little 1:1 risk to reverse on this trade, just like this. Let's see, will we be able to get this trade, guys? A nice little 1:1 on this trade, guys. My SL is down here at 26.5. 26.5. Inshallah, this thing will go up. 26.5, guys. There's my stop loss in. I'm only risking what I'm willing to lose, guys. I'm not going crazy with it. We're up around 200, 300 bucks. Right now, it's a very high risk setup, like I said. This is a scalp trade, exactly, bro. We're just gonna hold for about 10 to 15 minutes. Hopefully get a big push to the upside now at 5 o'clock. And then take it from there, bro. Literally, take it from there. Come on, gold. Give us the buys. You can see why we took these buys in the 5-minute time frame. If we lose, we lose, guys. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. That's what I'm saying. I took this buys over here because of this, right? We had this bearish candle and then a bullish engulfing candle, and we broke above and closed above the level of resistance, and now we're pushing up. That's a simple analysis for you guys right there. That's why I took these buys. That's why I took the buys over there, guys. Literally. Took those buys right there just because of that. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I took those buys right there because of that, bro. Send in the group? Nah, bro. I told the VIP group I'm done for the day. So I'm not going to send in the group, bro. I'm not going to send in the group. What's your stop loss? Stop loss is down here, bro. Below the 5-minute candle low. The previous 5-minute candle is my stop loss, bro. We up 400 pips right now, guys. Let me know. Are you guys in? We up 400 pips on the trade? Come on, gold. Push for us more. Push up for us more, gold. Come on. Let's go. Come on. We up now 500 pips. 500 pips up right now, guys. 500 pips up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Take profit. Give me my take profit. Give me my TP, guys. Give me my take profit. I want to see TP get hit here. We're up 500 pips. Come on, go. Fly. 400 pips. Or, yeah, for me, I say 500, even though it's $5. You can choose what you want to say, bro. For me, I just say that, bro. That's how I say it. That's how I was taught by my mentor to say, bro. I was taught by my mentor to say like that. So I'm going to say. Come on, gold. Push up for us, man. Send the stop loss in the group. What? Nah, bro. We're not taking a trade with the VIP group. Like I said, this is just for the stream. It's just for the stream, bro. I told the VIP group I'm done trading for the day. I told my VIP group I'm done trading for the day, bro. I don't understand how you always count pips for... Bro, that's just the way I was taught, bro. You can say 40 pips, 4 pips, 400 pips, whatever it is. It's up $4 on gold, basically. $4 on gold. Right now, it's up around $2 on gold, basically. But let's see. If we're going to hold this trade or if we're going to close up this trade. It is rejecting right now. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Come on, gold. Push for us, man. Push for us. Well, it is supposed to fly up earlier, but I don't know why it didn't. It was supposed to fly, man. Come on, gold. Reject and fly up. We're in some small profit right now. A bit of loss right now again. Come on, gold. Okay, guys, I'm going to actually get out of this trade right now. I'm not too happy with it. I won't lie to you. I'm not too happy with this trade. The markets are moving a bit too much for me right now. I'm going to exit my trade, guys. I'm closing up at break even. Closing up the trade at break even. This is not a good setup for me. Close trade at break even. It's at the entry point right now. It's at the entry point. I'm closing up my trade. What's the stop loss? We out the trade, bro. We out the trade. I closed up my stop loss. I closed up at entry, bro. I closed up at entry. This setup is not for me. I'm not liking it. I want to. If it goes up, it goes up. If it comes down, it comes down, guys. I am not happy with these market conditions. These market conditions are not good. The markets are supposed to have gone up a while ago from there. For a scalp trade, it didn't go up. So it's best I close up at entry. You can see over here. I close up my trade at entry. I close up my trades here at entry, bro. Literally. On your 2000, what's your lot size? I was risking the whole 2000 Rand to gain about 2000 to 4000 Rand. But I closed up my trade at entry. You say 40 pips, 400 pips, some broker have 3 numbers after the decimal point. I personally just say points, $4 move. Exactly, bro. You can just choose what you want to say, bro. Honestly. But let me know, guys. Are you guys out the trade? It is at break even still, so I have exited my trade. And also, there's news in 4 minutes time, so we don't want to also risk with the news, guys. Just not a good setup to be taken. Personally, for me, I don't want to be risking it, guys. I don't want to be risking it, man. It's not for me the setup. Let me know. Are you guys out the trade, guys? Are you guys out the trade at break even? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. I have exited the trade at break even. Crazy. We had 5.1k subs. Crazy, bro. Closing profit. Perfect, bro. Perfect, perfect, perfect. For me, I have closed up my trades at break even. Break even for me. I don't want to risk it, guys. Yes, it is still a decent setup, but with the news being in there, coming out in a few minutes' time, and this and that, is too much of factors, bro. As well as it's also very close to the level of resistance, and the markets haven't been treating me well this week, so rather I be safe. Yes, it's pushing up right now quite nicely. That's quite nice, I won't lie. Well done if you are still holding. For me personally, I'm out. I have closed up. It's actually flying right now. Crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. 38.8 to enter. If you guys are still holding, you are up around 1,000 pips. Well done. Wonder if it will sell off at news. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, there's no need for us to risk it. But if you are in a trade, you are up 1,000 pips. Well done to you. On this 1,000 pip, up 8k, amazing, bro. So this is what our trade right now. We entered it. Where was it? Just there. So your TP would have actually been smacked already, bro. The TP got hit right now. If you are holding, well done to you. Take profit has gotten hit. I'm holding buys as well. Hopefully the news is going to push up. Hopefully, bro. But you are already up 1,000 pips. So you are already up 1,000 pips. Well done if you did hold. For me, I never held. Let's go, guys. Take profit hit. Beautiful trade. Well done to you guys if you held. Me personally, I never held, guys. I never held it. No, I don't mind. I don't mind. I could have made about 4,000 Rand there. Instead, I made about 300 bucks. Perfectly fine with me, bro. Joseph, making profits. Lovely, bro. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff, guys. Well done. I made $30 from that small trade. Amazing work, Yasin. Amazing work, Yasin Sheikh. Lovely work, guys. Lovely work. But yeah, TP has been hit over there. If you guys are still going to be holding, make sure you put your SL to entry. Make sure you put your SL to entry if you are still holding, guys. We are moving nicely, guys. Let's get some W's in the chat for that beautiful trade code I did. I told you guys, I needed to come on here to get a beautiful trade. And exactly what I did. But a beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade. Lovely stuff. We're going to end up the stream in about, let me say, 5 or 10 minutes. Make sure you stick around for the end of the stream. I'm going to be announcing what we're going to be doing with the 1 a.m. bootcamp. Or I'll even just announce it in the Telegram group one time. It's easier. Where everyone is. Where everyone is in the Telegram group, I'll announce it there. Let's see. How is the news going to affect the market now? Is it going to spike up? Yeah, it's spiking up right now. You're actually going to be in more profit now. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy work. Look at it. Damn. That's a madness. It's a big spike up. You'll see now I'm telling you, it spiked up quite a bit. It spiked up a lot, actually. Wow. Damn. That's kind of crazy, bro. If you are holding, you are up right now 1,600 pips. You are up 1,600 pips on gold. 1,700, 1,900, 2,000 pips. You're up. Well done. W just took profits. Amazing, bro. Amazing work. Well done. Just took profits. Lovely work, bro. Lovely work. Beautiful stuff, guys. Beautiful stuff. But yeah, like I said, we out. I'm out of the trade. I already took my break-even trade. I didn't want to risk. I did not want to risk my funds on that trade. I was not liking the setup. I was not liking the setup, guys. I was not liking the setup. Crazy stuff. Crazy, crazy stuff. What is this now? What is this now? Crazy work, man. Beautiful. Well done if you guys caught that buy. You can see it did extend a lot more up. You put about 1:2 risk to reward ratio on that trade. So well done to you guys on that. For me personally, like I said, I'm gonna be signing out of the stream very soon. Look at the wick exactly, bro. This makes no sense, man. Like, if it were gonna go up, it were gonna shoot up. If it's gonna come down, it should shoot down. It shouldn't be playing around like this so much, bro. The markets are just all over the show, not looking the best. But yeah, with that being said, my beautiful people, I will be back with you guys on Monday morning at 10 a.m. for the London Open session. Make sure you tune into that. And yeah, with that being said, I'm signing out for now. Well done. We call this beautiful trade here on the stream for 100% free with Comit Capital, with Space Markets. Lovely work to all you guys. Well done. And I'll be seeing you guys on Monday morning. Have a great weekend, and I'm out.